Mini quilts are a quilter's secret weapon. These small-scale projects pack a big punch, allowing you to experiment with new techniques, use up fabric scraps, and create beautiful decorations or gifts in less time. Today, we're exploring fantastic free mini quilt patterns that will inspire you to start stitching right away. First up is the Bushel of Apples Mini, a charming 20 by 20 inch quilt that captures the essence of autumn. With its combination of 9 patch blocks and appliqued apples, it's perfect for beginners looking to try something new. The Time and Again Mini offers a classic blue and white patchwork design with a modern zigzag border. At just under 17 inches square, it's ideal for adding a touch of vintage charm to any space. For a more contemporary look, check out the Mini Barn pattern. Its bold colors and geometric shapes create a striking visual impact that's sure to spark conversation. Feeling lucky? The St. Patrick's Day. Rainbow Mini brings a burst of color and cheer with its curved piecing and festive design. The Dresden Mini Quilt combines vintage appeal with modern flair, featuring the iconic Dresden plate block surrounded by a patchwork border. Scrap lovers will adore the gorgeous mini scrap pattern. This 15-inch square design uses foundation paper piecing to transform your fabric scraps into a miniature masterpiece. The Square Dance. Daisy Mini Quilt bursts with cheerful colors, combining Dresden points with playful squares to create a blooming flower effect. Peace and harmony take center stage in the Go Pretty Mini, with its overlapping peace sign motifs, creating a mesmerizing kaleidoscope of color. For a patriotic touch, try the Go Priscilla's Parallelograms Mini. Its bold red, white, and blue geometric design is sure to make a statement. Rounding out our free patterns is the Mini Petals Quilt, a delightful burst of springtime charm that's perfect for showcasing your favorite fabrics. Whether you prefer traditional designs, modern aesthetics, or whimsical themes, there's a mini quilt pattern out there to spark your creativity. These small projects are the perfect way to hone your skills, express your artistic vision, and add a personal touch to your home decor. So grab your fabric stash, fire up your sewing machine, and dive into the world of mini quilts. With their quick turnaround and endless possibilities, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Want more mini quilt patterns to inspire your next project? Minimize your quilting time and maximize your creativity at ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!